There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl A, and today I came to not play. This is the 5th video of the day that I have done, and it was all wigs. When I tell you I'm on a roll, I'm on a roll. But when I'm done, girl, I'm about to go downstairs and have me something to eat and relax. Okay, so yes, I still do have my miracle knot braids in, and that is the reason why I have this wig cap on, so it could just kind of like hold them. I did cornrow it down to make it just as tight as possible, and I'm hoping this wig will fit properly because the other 4 worked perfectly. And y'all know when y'all see the pink box, it's definitely budget friendly, it's on and popping. And you can check this wig out on Amazon Prime when you get your wigs on time. But if you want to check out UNice's actual website, you can do so along with their AliExpress store. Y'all know I love UNice. We always represent over here for UNice, budget friendly, human hair, great units, everything. And if you love a good quick weave or a weave, they have weaving hair. They have bundles as well. So this one here is a bob. She's perfectly done already, pre-styled, pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-plucked. Okay, what else more can I tell you? And pre-approved, because your girl likes to pre-approve it. Do send you a HD wig cap in the bag or the box that you get your unit in. It also does come with some tape, so you can tape it down if you want to, and an elastic melting band. Now this is a 7x5 bob, and the inches on this are 12 inches. This one I do believe is a layered bob, silky texture, and it has a curl in it. Girl, it's already... Listen, Linda, listen. You don't even have to do nothing. They have this already structured and ready to go. Girl, let me tell y'all, I love UNice. I love a good wig. I love a good wig. If it's already done for me, that's even better. Honey, I love a good already done wig. Pre-bleached. Okay, look, she is a 7x5, so you're only going to be able to, part her in the circumference, but she already parted. She also has a drawstring, some of that gridding in the back, like the rubber stopping. So girl, your wig don't slip back. You don't want your wig to slip back, right? Because if your wig slip back and you just still out there thinking you cute and nobody's telling you, you need to find you some new friends. So this will help you, okay, with non-wig slip back. You also do have the elastic, adjustable bands, a comb in the nape, and the security string, the drawstring. I ain't got to do nothing. Let's just put this wig on and we can go about our business for the day, okay?
Didn't happen like that. It took me a minute to notice it. It was holding me back. It's time to move on to bigger things. Can't live in the past. Moving on to future me. I wonder who she will be. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It's always meant to be, oh. Think it's meant to be scary at first when you change, but it's better than being stuck here in your ways. Comfortable, ain't that comfortable no more. Don't wanna go back to how it was before. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like.
All right, y'all. So this was actually the easiest bob I've ever done, okay? When I tell you I didn't have to restyle this wig, I am so happy. It was parted on the side. I am so happy because, girl, I like bobs, but I don't like when they have middle parts. My head is too long for that. And then when you have to restyle it, it gets to be a little bit worse. So this definitely came through. I love the fact that I didn't have to take out my flat iron and recurl this swoopity swoop on the side, baby. When I tell you this is the easiest bob I've ever done, it's the easiest bob I've ever done. Plus the hair is very very flowy. It's very chic looking. This is giving me summertime vibes when you want to stay cool and still look cute. This is definitely giving that. And girl, let me tell y'all, this silky hair is definitely one to get. Now, normally I only like to wear like yaki bob, but this one is actually really, really nice. I like the flow of it. I like the fact that they already did it for me. Like, girl, the only thing I had to do was put her on, and that was it, girl. And make me a little bit of baby hairs, because you know, I try to take away from the longevity of my head because it's kind of long, okay? Now, I did not cut the baby hairs in this unit only because I just really didn't want to. Sometimes I notice when you cut super straight, silky hair, it's so hard to actually just swoop, you know what I'm saying? And I don't even know where my little tiny curling iron is at, or flat iron is at, to just give it the actual curl and then go about my business. So I just decided to leave it and just, you know, play around with it with the hairspray. The hairspray at the roots and on the wig will definitely make the hair lay low and stay low. Normally I like to use this, but not for today. This hair is actually really nice. You know, it's very pretty and I like it. It came out extra cute. If you're looking for a bob that is summertime ready, girl, get you this one right here. And I threw this over some miracle knots. Girl, listen, okay. Check the description box down below for UNice. I hope y'all have an amazing, blessed day. And if you stay to the end of this video, leave me a pink heart because it's for UNice. You know they nice, I'm nice, you nice, we all nice. Let me know what you think about this bob. I will see y'all in the next one. I love y'all. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
This was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. Didn't feel like I was strong, but I'm glad that I was wrong. Think I knew